Hi. So you've been invited to Tripcatcher and we're going to set up your Tripcatcher account. So here I've set my password up and I'm logging in for the first time. So when I log in, Tripcatcher is going to ask me a number of questions to help set my account up. First of all, Tripcatcher wants to know how many miles I've done in this tax year, but I've claimed them outside of Tripcatcher. So it needs to know what my starting point is so that Tripcatcher can calculate when we've crossed the 10,000 mile threshold, this being the point that mileage drops from 45 pence per mile down to 25 pence per mile. So for the sake of this test, I'm going to put in 1,000 miles mileage so far. We can always update these figures later in the settings page, as you can see here. So going on to next. My business is VAT registered, so I want to claim VAT on the fuel element of my mileage claim. So I'm ticking the VAT box and I'm going to select my car engine. Click on next, and then we need to decide where to publish our mileage claim to. If you have an expense account with Receipt Bank, then you can choose to publish your Tripcatcher mileage claim through Receipt Bank to zero. There are some circumstances, talk to your accountant about this, about when that is the most appropriate way to get your mileage into zero. If you have full access or advisor access to zero, you can publish your mileage claim directly to zero, so you check this button. If you're an employee, a staff member who just has expenses only access to zero, then what you need to do is click the printer button and you can save your mileage claim to a PDF and then upload that in the zero expenses. Now that functionality is coming in zero within the next couple of months, but it's not here just yet. So if you already have standard or advisor access to zero, click the zero button. If you only have access to the expenses claims and my payroll in zero, then click the printer button. And then we're going to go to next. Check that your details are correct. I've just realized that I've put the wrong car in. My car isn't a small car, it's a 2-litre diesel. So I'm going to go back, change my settings, go to next and confirm. So there we're done. We've configured Tripcatcher. Now we need to start using it and claiming our mileage.